Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of the CoinLoan platform. CoinLoan is a user-friendly and secure crypto wallet that offers a range of features, including high interest earnings, crypto loans, and seamless asset storage. If you're new to crypto or looking to maximize your existing assets, this platform has something for everyone. The home screen provides a clean and intuitive interface. You can easily navigate through the tabs to manage your wallet, explore investment opportunities, or review active loans. To get started, create an account using the link in the description and receive a bonus as a new user. Once logged in, the dashboard offers a snapshot of your portfolio and potential earning opportunities. CoinLoan supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including BTC, ETH, and stablecoins like USDT. Click on the Earn tab to view interest rates, which can reach up to 12.3% APY. Transfer your assets into the wallet to start earning interest daily. The platform also features robust security measures, such as two-factor authentication, to ensure your funds are safe. Interested in borrowing? Head to the Borrow section, where you can use your crypto assets as collateral for a loan. This is ideal for those who need liquidity without selling their investments. The loan process is quick, transparent, and fully online, with competitive interest rates. CoinLoan is not just a wallet, it's an ecosystem for growing and managing your crypto wealth. Whether you're interested in earning passive income, securing a low-interest loan, or simply holding your crypto in a secure place, this platform has you covered. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. If you found this overview helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more crypto tutorials and tips.